Greetings, word enthusiasts, and welcome to another intriguing exploration. Today, the journey navigates through the maze of the English language, unraveling its building blocks, the parts of speech. The architect of this journey is none other than Mujtaba Ahmad, a language aficionado who revels in the intricacies of English. First, consider nouns, the names of people, places, things, or ideas. They're the labels you hang on the world around you, whether it's dog, city, love, or Mujtaba. Nouns can be specific, like John, or more general, like man. Next, we have pronouns, the undercover agents of the language world. They step in when a noun needs a break, taking on roles like he, she, it, or they. So instead of saying John is tired because John had a long day, you can let a pronoun take the stage and say, John is tired because he had a long day. Verbs, the action heroes of the language universe, come next. They represent action or states of being. Run, think, is, become. All these words are verbs, propelling sentences forward with their dynamic energy. Adjectives, the painters of the language world, add color and detail to nouns. A dog can become a big brown dog, and a city can become a bustling, vibrant city. Adjectives spice up your sentences, making them more vivid and interesting. Adverbs are the sidekicks to verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. They explain how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. Quickly, yesterday, there, very. These are all adverbs, refining and adding depth to your sentences. Prepositions show relationships between other words in a sentence. They're like the glue that holds a sentence together. Words like in, on, at, from, and with are prepositions helping to create clear, connected thoughts. Conjunctions are the peacekeepers of the language world. They join words, phrases, or clauses together. You'll recognize them as words like and, but, or, so, yet, and for. Finally, interjections are the exclamations of surprise, exasperation, or other strong emotions. Oh, wow, and hooray are examples of interjections, giving a voice to your feelings in a sentence. Remember, these 8 parts of speech, nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections, are the building blocks of English. Understanding them equips you with the tools to construct clear, meaningful, and engaging sentences. Mujtaba Ahmad promises to continue unveiling the mysteries of the English language in future videos. Subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more enlightening journeys into the world of words. And remember, language is a tool. The better you know it, the more effectively you can communicate.